guys, welcome to another tutorials. uh, Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends, comments, and press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, I want to continue this tutorials further. Guys, this is 3D warehouse. I want to import some units from the 3D warehouse. I click here. Wait for some. Guys, this is a 3D warehouse. I want to type here 2D car, two-dimensional car, search, going to the model. Guys, this is properties file size. We should bring it as low as possible to 1 to 3 4 MB. Guys, we choose model from here. See, I want to import this car. I want to download it. Guys, this window pop-up will appear. Yes, I want to import it to the current page. Once this download, see guys, I can bring this car to garage. See guys, this is a 2D car. Guys, I want to also import some guys, press shift, we can move anywhere simply, up, down, right, left. You can orbit it around also. Guys, I want to export some doors also. We can build by own also. I can import from the 3D warehouse also. Guys, I want to 3D warehouse again, this window again, search 2D doors, enter. Guys, these are the 2D doors. We can import directly to our model. We can choose one, for example this door, download, yes. See guys, we can directly import from 3D warehouse. Guys, click, this is a component. This is the entire door is in a component. Once we single click, the entire door would be selected. We can scale it, S. We can reshape our door. Guys, see the shape. We can adjust the shape all around. We can, the door swing is inside the room to the left side. Guys, this is our door. We can copy this door, same door, and I should paste it here. Guys, again select the door, move, press Ctrl and move it here. Guys, see, we can scale it, S. We can move it around. We can adjust the height, everything. Now door is fixed. Guys, I want to again copy this door from here. Go, move, press Ctrl and copy it here. Guys, now I use the rotate tool to rotate this. This is we can type 90-degree directly. I want to choose and move it, guys. Guys, door windows already fixed, and in the next step want to dimension all our 2D drawing. See guys, this is in centimeter, this is 800, and this is again same. I want to dimension this internal size, internal, choose a dimension, and this two corners, choose this two corner, guys, this two corners, and move it this two corner. All dimension are in centimeter, guys. This is we see the parking dimensions. This is our parking sizes, guys. Then the dimensions, guys. We can name also these rooms. Enter this is the room number 1. Guys, select the text, select it and move it to required position. Guys, again copy this and move it here. We just edit this 1 to number 2, guys. We can fix also this problem. You see this, as we zoom in, this will remain the same. We can choose text. See, I want to call this room as a hall. Now it is fixed. This is garage. Parking, guys. This is it for this tutorial, guys. Please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon and comments for the improvement. Thank you, guys. And the next tutorial I will develop the 3D model.